Alas, we have paint, clear coat on the paint. And boy, did it come out nice. We just had a customer here visiting after hours. He was admiring the paint job, the color. And I was showing him, ripping off some paper, showing him some Linux work. He will have the same type of process done. He's going to have us build him a truck. So it was nice to show him this freshly painted aluminum body and steel cowl. Came out very nice. Tomorrow they will unwrap it, take all the paper off, and then work towards probably getting the engine into the frame, and then maybe this down on top of the frame. Though they do have some plumbing work to do with brake lines and fuel lines. So there you go. Looks great.